In this video, we're going to be discussing 7 best online business ideas that you can start in 2023. These businesses are all very different and will require a different approach. But with a little bit of hard work and creativity, you can be up and running in no time at all. So if you're looking for some inspiration on how to start your own business, make sure to check out this video. 1. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is all the rage now. Many companies around the world are looking for AI software to solve user problems. You won't have a business if you don't successfully solve an issue that people are willing to pay you for. It's essential to test and confirm that there are customers prepared to pay for what you plan to produce and that it is feasible to build what you have in mind before moving forward. Many experts believe that artificial intelligence will change the world in the future. It's hard to disagree with that, especially given the emergence of chatbots, voice assistants, and driverless cars, all powered by artificial intelligence. Currently, AI is mainly used in programs that need data and the ability of computers to recognize it, like a content relationship management (CRM) system. Other AI-based business ideas include stock prediction, language recognition and translation, crowdsourced knowledge, and tax document preparation. 2. Digital products. The simplest way to get a passive income is to sell digital products. You're not limited to how many products you can sell, and you can earn money even while you sleep. A company is worth it when you wake up in the morning with money in your account. What's more, this business model is highly profitable due to the absence of production costs and the ability to expand indefinitely without ever having to worry about restocking. There are many types of digital products: ebooks, templates, software, applications, online courses, and so forth. Do you have the skills to create products that enhance the workflow of other companies? Then go make some money. 3. Blogging. Although this field may seem overdone, it's still profitable. You might think that nowadays many businesses are investing in blogging and the internet is overrun with blogs. Just because it's a saturated area doesn't mean you shouldn't invest in it anymore. If anything, it just proves how popular blogging is. There are many blogs that focus on SEO and don't provide quality content. Don't get me wrong, SEO is important, but if you're ranking on the first page of Google and people are leaving your blog after 30 seconds, then there might be some question marks. Moreover, if you do a little research, you'll find that many articles don't actually respond to users' needs or issues. So this is your glory time. Do you have topic ideas that can help readers get useful information? Start a blog. As long as people continue to search the internet for information, blogging will thrive. And with more people immersing themselves in the digital world, bloggers can only look forward to a prosperous future. 4. Graphic design. Even though there are plenty of tools online which help to create visuals, some companies prefer to hire a third-party entity that can create all the graphics, illustrations, and images. Entrepreneurs like you need to design their websites with catchy visuals that can attract the attention of visitors. And let's be honest, if you don't have an artistic sense, such tools cannot help you find your way through colors, elements, alignments, and so forth. However, graphic design is not only about web design. It also includes designs for t-shirts, flyers, posters, and various other items. 5. Web development. Have you ever navigated through a website and thought, geez, this website could look way better? If yes, then web development may be your match. Since websites have become the way companies communicate with their customers, it's a good online business idea to invest in. Whether you have coding skills, design abilities, or just the desire to run such a company, you can hire people and build a team. And if we spill the beans, you can make full use of freeware and open source software so that fees are practically non-existent. You can start a web development business or earn money as a freelancer if you have a laptop, internet connection, and free time. This type of company can be handled from any location. If you love to travel, this is a career you can carry out from your backpack. 6. Digital marketing. If you want to jump on the bandwagon, digital marketing is a good idea to start your business. It connects a brand with its customers when they are online and works in all industries. Consumers now anticipate and rely on digital content and marketing as a way to learn about brands since more than half of the population, exactly 66.2%, uses the internet nowadays. Broadband research. You can get inventive and test out different methods on a budget because digital marketing has so many possibilities and ideas available. Online marketing helps companies build a reputation on Google through SEO and PPC and other channels through social media marketing and email marketing. These marketing efforts are necessary for every industry. Imagine how successful you will be by running such a business. 7. Online coaching. Online coaching is a service online business idea and a fantastic way to help people from almost any field or social background. The industry offers a wide range of specializations, including in-demand specialties like online business coaching, online nutrition coaching, online coaching for life and fitness, and so forth. There are more opportunities available to trainers who work with clients online than those who only offer in-person sessions. You can work with clients from all over the world and set your own hours. Since you already have everything you need, including a computer with an internet connection, you can get started right away. However, even if launching an online coaching program sounds good, the work itself isn't always simple. You will need an idea that is both in demand and that you are capable of realizing at the very least. People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.